Hey guys, welcome back to Smartphone World. Xiaomi launched the successor of their most popular Redmi Note 4 in India, and in this video let's compare both Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro. The Redmi Note 5 comes with a metal design with curved edges similar to Redmi Note 4 to get better in-hand feel. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a metal design that is an exact rip-off of iPhone X. Both the Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro will have 5.99-inch Full HD Plus bezel-less display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The Redmi Note 5 will be powered by same Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor with Adreno 506 GPU like Redmi Note 4, whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro will be powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Redmi Note 5 will come with a 12 megapixel f/2.2 rear camera with flash and will have better low light performance. The Redmi Note 5 Pro on the other hand comes with vertically aligned dual rear camera with 12 megapixel f/2.2 camera and 5 megapixel f/2.2 secondary camera for portraits. The camera also has electronic image stabilization for videos. The Redmi Note 5 comes with a 5 megapixel front camera with selfie flash for better low light selfies. The Note 5 Pro on the other hand comes with an insane 20 megapixel Sony IMX376 sensor with selfie flash and Beautify 4.0. Both phones have fingerprint sensor on the back, infrared sensor and a 3.5mm headphone jack, the rarest feature on smartphone nowadays. Both phones will run Android Nougat 7.1 out of the box with MIUI 9 on top. Both Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro will have humongous 4000 mAh battery. With Snapdragon 636 on board, Note 5 Pro should have slightly better battery life than Note 5. Both Note 5 and Note 5 Pro has dual pyrolytic graphite sheet to keep the phone cool. Redmi Note 5 comes in two variants, 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage and 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. The Redmi Note 5 Pro comes in two variants, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage and 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. The Redmi Note 5 will be available in black, gold and rose gold color variants, and the Note 5 Pro will have additional lake blue color variant. Xiaomi kills it when it comes to pricing the smartphones. Redmi Note 5 32GB variant is priced at 9,999 and the 64GB variant is priced at 11,999. The Note 5 Pro 4GB RAM variant is priced at 13,999 and the 6GB RAM variant is priced at 16,999. In my opinion, if you are extremely tight on budget, then go for Redmi Note 5. If not, definitely go for Note 5 Pro. It is the best budget smartphone you can buy right now. So what Redmi phone are you planning to buy? Is it the Note 5 or Note 5 Pro? Share your thoughts on the comment section. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.